Say it.
Look what I can do.
Oh, hi, Brayden, and your popcorn. Woohoo! Look at you! You gonna do the other one too?
Yep.
You need more popcorn? Just a minute. Woohoo! Go Trey! There's Brayden. Say hi.
Now you know what I can do.
Okay, say that.
Now you know what I can do.
Oh, we just spilled more popcorn. Nice. Clayton, quit it, bud. Here, there's Clayton. He wants to see too. Okay.